This sauce will win you over with its simplicity and complex flavor. We start by placing a skillet on the stove, adding 2 tablespoons of butter along with olive oil to taste. Once the butter melts, add a diced onion, half a diced carrot, and stir. Now, add a chopped green bell pepper and 100 grams of corn. Stir. At this point, remove from the heat and set aside. Prepare a pot of boiling water and add 150 grams of penne pasta. Add a pinch of salt, stir, and let it cook for 6 minutes. Return to the skillet and add 2 tablespoons of butter with a drizzle of olive oil. Once the butter melts, add 4 tablespoons of flour, stir, and let it cook. At this point, add 500 milliliters of milk and stir. Gradually add the milk, allowing the sauce to thicken. Stir well, letting it cook until it reaches the right consistency. It will look like this. Keep stirring. Now let's turn our attention back to the pasta. Drain the water. To the sauce, add nutmeg, black pepper, and salt to taste, along with 4 tablespoons of grated Parmesan. Stir, letting it cook a bit to melt the cheese. Then add the vegetables we prepared earlier and stir. Now add the pasta. Stir well until everything is combined. It's ready. Let's serve it and sprinkle a bit more grated Parmesan on top to make it perfect. As a result, we have a complete meal. The touch of vegetables with the creamy, cheesy sauce transforms this simple pasta into an experience. If you like this tip, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what you thought of this combination. That's it for now, but we'll have another recipe for you tomorrow. See you next time.